Hey guys, just doing a little bit of a check-in. I was supposed to be doing a foundation check-in today, but I think that's probably off the cards because, this. I was just in my Spanish class and I knew I shouldn't have gone today because I knew my emotions were all over the place, and I've had a string of migraines over the last few days, and so I've started HRT, like hormone replacement therapy, because since I had my ovary removed, I've just been stacking on weight, even though I've been exercising and eating well. And so I started the HRT to see if that could help regulate my metabolism a little bit better. But so far, all it's done is make me properly crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm such an emotional wreck at the moment. And I'm so embarrassed because I just cried in the middle of my Spanish class and walked out. Luckily, there were only 5 students there, and Javier, the professor, is lovely, but I'm so embarrassed. I just feel like I'm such a mess right now. This is one of the things I think people don't understand, that the treatments for endometriosis and hormone-related illnesses are so hard on us. Because every treatment, it's like, oh, well, we'll just see what happens. It might work, it might not, who knows? And in that process, they are literally messing with your hormones that can make you feel like you're insane and feel the depths of despair. And I think there needs to be better understanding that when we try a new treatment, not only do we not know if it's going to help, we know that it's probably going to make us feel really crap. Like I am right now. I'm just so embarrassed that happened. And I think because I'm normally a perfectionist as well, and then when I get so much brain fog with my endo, I've never felt stupider. I've never felt stupider than I do these days, and it's so frustrating. So anyway, I just wanted to be real and check in, because I know a lot of you have endo as well, or adeno, or different things. And I think it's important to talk about this stuff.